Babur became the ruler of Fergana at the age of 11, after his father's death in 1494. He wanted to capture Samarkand, the main city of his kingdom. But he faced many enemies who took away Fergana and Samarkand from him. He had to run away and suffer a lot. He gathered a small army and took over Kabul in 1504, reached the Chenab River, which is now in Pakistan. The Lodhi dynasty ruled India, but they had problems among themselves. Some of their governors rebelled against Sultan Ibrahim Lodhi. They asked Babur for help, and he invaded Punjab. He fought many battles and finally controlled all of Punjab in 1525. In 1526, Ibrahim Lodhi came from Delhi to fight Babur. They met at Panipat. They waited for 8 days before the big battle on April 20th, 1526. Babur had a strong army of Turks, Persians, and Afghans. They had been together for a long time and faced many difficulties. They had horsemen who shot arrows, soldiers who used guns and bows, and 20 cannons that came from the Ottoman or Safavid empires. Babur used the best military tactics from the Ottoman and Timurid traditions. Babur's army was different from the Delhi Empire's army. The Delhi Empire had war elephants and horsemen, but no guns or cannons. Ibrahim Lodhi had a big army of 50,000 men and 400 war elephants. He faced Babur's smaller army, which was divided into groups. Babur used wagons to make a wall and put cannons between them. The battle started with Ibrahim Lodhi's elephants in front. They were scared by the loud noise of the gunpowder and ran away. Ibrahim's cavalry on the left flank attempted to attack the enemy's right, but the latter was reinforced from the center, repelling the attack. As the elephants were either getting killed or retreating in panic, any semblance of order was lost. Babur then sent both his right and left flank cavalry to attempt a pincer move, forcing his foes' left and right flanks to turn towards the horse archers. The Sultanate army was pinned, leaving it open to shots from the wagons and artillery behind it. Babur himself joined the attack, moving his guard around the cart from the right side. Ibrahim Lodhi tried to make his army fight back, but it was too late. He was killed, and Babur won the battle and took over the Delhi kingdom. He won another battle at Kanwa in 1527 and showed that his weapons and tactics were better than the others. He became the ruler of northern India, but he died in 1531 and could not make his empire bigger. He left a lasting impression on history.